Hello everyone. If you're like me, you might have noticed that social media has changed a little bit over the past few weeks. It's gone from being quite a supportive place to a little bit of a difficult terrain. You might call it a maze. You might even call it a minefield. It's only natural that before we get any clarity on whether hairdressing is included in level 3, people are starting to feel fearful and frustrated and futile. And it's all coming out on your feed. We'd like to change that now. The next week is going to be a crucial time for you to engage with clients. You could really call this make or break. It's your chance to be a beacon of positivity and a leader amidst a scared, fearful, and frustrated clientele. Please join us for a webinar at 10 o'clock on Friday. We're going to be joining Ursula Brett. We're going to give you some fabulous, effective, and best of all, free ideas to turn your social media around and make the next week the best of your life, together with a challenge, and there's a wonderful prize. The invite is below. We look forward to seeing you.